Discover the intricate dance of chemistry and craftsmanship behind your favorite drinks. From the humble beginnings of grains and grapes to the complex flavors of beers and spirits, let's delve into the alcohol manufacturing process. Alcohol, or ethanol, takes many forms: beer, wine, spirits, and fuel ethanol. Each type demands a unique production process. Beer emerges from fermented grains, wine from the alchemy of grapes, spirits from the distillation of fermented liquids, and fuel ethanol from plant materials destined for energy rather than enjoyment. The alcohol industry is a titan of trade, valued at over $1 trillion. With a steady growth rate of 3% annually, it's driven by cultural tastes, economic shifts, and a thirst for craft and specialty drinks. This demand has sparked a renaissance in the beer and spirits sectors, with craft producers flourishing. The journey of alcohol production starts with raw materials like barley, corn, wheat, or grapes. These are ground, mashed, and mixed with water. Enzymes then break down starches into sugars, setting the stage for fermentation. Yeast transforms these sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide, crafting the base for our beloved beverages. Engineers in this field navigate a labyrinth of challenges: safety protocols, environmental regulations, and stringent quality control. They ensure that the intoxicating dance of production is performed safely, sustainably, and to the highest standards, guaranteeing that each sip is as delightful as it is responsible. In the world of alcohol manufacturing, engineers are the unsung heroes, orchestrating a symphony of science and sensibility. As consumer demand evolves, their expertise ensures that the industry not only survives but thrives, delivering quality and innovation with every drop.